Stand in front of your box, facing away from it. Inhale as you lift your resting leg and lower your hips back towards your box with control. Land as softly as possible and exhale while using your working leg to return to your starting position. Maintain good posture throughout the movement, keeping your head and chest up. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. This exercise is called a single leg box squat. It's a powerful exercise for our lower body, and it's a regression of the single leg squat or the pistol squat. I've got a box and gravity. Let's get into it. The single leg box squat is an amazing exercise for glute, quadricep, and hamstring activation. Notice how when Katie's doing this exercise, she's got one leg up that she holds in a rigid, strong position, and the other leg is her working leg. She's using those muscles to lower herself really soft against the box. She's not slamming into it, and she's not bouncing back up in this exercise. If she has to put her arms forward to help her with her balance, that's okay. She just doesn't want to let her chest fall because that'll change the nature of the exercise. Katie's doing an amazing job here, and eventually she'll be able to continue on to a pistol or a single leg squat. Nice job, Katie.